Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into something super useful for teams and organizations, the Organizational Knowledge Management AI agent in Delaverse. This smart agent helps you organize, search, and share your company's knowledge base effortlessly, making sure everyone has access to the right info at the right time. What's it all about? Imagine having all your FAQs, manuals, guides, and data in one place, powered by AI to answer questions instantly. Whether you're pulling from Google Sheets, Docs, or even external APIs, this agent categorizes everything, enables quick searches, and delivers responses through chat or messaging apps. It's a game changer for boosting productivity and keeping your team in sync. What's it all about? How to get started. Fire up your Delaverse playground and create a fresh project. Give it a name like Knowledge Hub to keep things organized. If you have a ready-made workflow file, import it to set up the basics in a snap. From there, you're all set to build your agent. Breaking down the key parts. First off, gather your knowledge treasures. Connect tools like Google Sheets for your data tables, a file database for documents, and Google Docs for text resources. You can even hook up APIs to pull in info from other systems. It's like inviting all your knowledge to the party. Next, wire everything into the AI assistant. This is the brain of the operation. It takes all that input and gets ready to process queries, categorize info, and whip up helpful responses. For sharing the wisdom, link the AI to a chat interface for web-based Q&A or a Telegram bot for on-the-go access. Group it all into an easy-to-manage container so everything runs smoothly together, keeping tabs with analytics. Don't just build it. Track how it's performing. Add an analyzer to your setup, which checks your knowledge coverage, spots any gaps, and even suggests improvements. Jump into the analytics dashboard to see usage stats, spot trends, and measure how effective your knowledge base is at helping your team. The real wins. By streamlining access to info, you'll save tons of time. No more digging through folders or waiting on emails. Teams stay aligned, decisions get faster, and everyone feels more empowered with instant insights. Okay, pro tips for power users. Want to level up? Test your agent right in the chat frame with real queries to see it in action. For deeper tweaks, experiment with more data sources or fine-tune the AI's instructions to match your team's style. As you grow, add new channels like email notifications to reach even more people. Why you'll love it. With the Organizational Knowledge Management AI agent, you're turning scattered info into a smart, accessible resource that drives your organization forward. Start building today, watch your efficiency soar, and make knowledge sharing a breeze in Delaverse. What's your first knowledge source to add? Share in the comments.